Hi guys, join me as I cook Okazi soup with scent leaf. These are condiments we need for the soup. We pour in our meat, our stockfish, our cow skin. We allow it to boil a little and we add our seasoning. Wow, this is so nice. We add our salt and we stir and cover it up to boil. Yeah, we allow it to boil for 15 to 20 minutes. Yes, to make sure that our meat is well seasoned and that. You see, the water wasn't enough, so I had to add more water to make sure the meat has enough water to boil. So now I'm here now to check if the meat is ready. I think the meat is ready, and we'll set it aside. We'll set the meat aside right now. Then we'll bring in a fresh pot to pour our oil into the pot and we'll add our ogiri. Oh my God, forgive me, I'm Ibom people. I'm an Igbo girl and I love ogiri so much. So now we add our water leaf. This is our water leaf. We have to, make sure our water leaf is well cooked and the water in the water leaf dried, as you can see. We don't have water anymore in our water leaf. Okay, now we'll add our crayfish and our pepper. We'll stir and mix it very well. Make sure everything is well mixed, as you can see. Then after mixing the pepper and the crayfish, we'll add our salt to the soup. We'll add our salt, as you can see. The aroma in my kitchen, it's not small. It's not a small thing. Then we'll add our seasoning. We stir it. And we just have to make sure that it is well cooked. Everything is well mixed. Yes, as you can see, we cover it up and then we get our already pounded okazi leaf. And this is my scent leaf. Oh my God. We stir it and mix it very well. Make sure it is well mixed. As you can see, I'm mixing it very well. This is so nice. We add more oil. Yeah, I don't think as you can see, there's not enough oil. So we have to add more oil to make sure that there's enough oil in this soup. We have to stir. We'll stir it very well, as you can see. We now add our already cooked proteins to the soup. Let me small. Oh God, this is so nice. This is so nice. So as we've added our protein to the soup, we have to mix it very well and make sure everything is well mixed. And this is it. This is our soup. Oh God. This is so nice and so nice. Okay, we'll cover it and cook it. We have to cook for like 10 to 15 minutes to make sure everything is well cooked. And I cook above 15 minutes. I cooked it to 10 minutes so everything will be soft. See soup now. You can now add to any swallow of your choice. Yes, you can now add to any swallow of your choice. Akwa Ibom people, try and be adding scent leaf to your okazi. You will thank me later. Please, guys, tell me if you try out this recipe and I'll be happy to receive your comments if you add it. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Thank you. I love you. See you some other time. Thank you very much. Bye.